In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use burning for portraits in Lightroom Desktop, so you can add depth, shape the face, and make your subject pop naturally. If you've ever felt like your portraits look a little flat, this simple editing technique can make a big difference. And best of all, it only takes a few minutes once you know where to apply it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your portrait in Lightroom Desktop and go to the masking tools. Burning simply means darkening specific areas of the image, and in portrait editing, that helps guide the viewer's eye toward the face and the most important details. To create your burn mask, click the plus icon and choose Brush. This gives you a new mask that you can paint exactly where you want the shadows to build up. Now zoom in a little so you can work more precisely. Start painting on the sides of the face, along the jawline and under the cheekbones. These are the key areas where subtle darkness can help define the structure of the face without making the edit look obvious. You can also brush under the chin to create more separation between the face and the neck, which helps the portrait feel cleaner and more dimensional. Once the mask is in place, go to the Adjustments panel and lower the exposure slightly. You don't want to make the image look heavily edited, so small changes are usually best. Then adjust the blacks a little if needed to deepen the shadows and add more contrast in those burned areas. The goal here is to create soft shaping, not harsh dark spots. If the effect feels too strong, reduce the exposure adjustment or lower the mask opacity until it blends naturally with the rest of the image. If it looks too subtle, just increase the burn effect a bit more around the edges of the face and under the chin. The best thing about burning in portraits is that it helps create depth without changing the natural color or character of the photo. It can make the face stand out more, improve the overall shape, and give your portrait a more professional finish. A good rule is to burn the outer edges of the face, the jawline, the sides, and the under chin area, while keeping the center of the face brighter. That contrast is what draws attention to the eyes and facial features. Once you're happy with the look, compare your before and after. You should see that the subject has more separation, more definition, and a stronger sense of focus. It's a quick result, but it makes a huge difference in portrait editing. So that's how to use burning for portraits in Lightroom Desktop. Simple brushwork, careful adjustments, and a natural-looking finish can completely improve your photo. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lightroom tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.